Hey y'all, it's already been a busy, kind of chaotic day in my house today. And so I haven't eaten yet and it's going on 1 o'clock. So I'm going to get this day started with a very simple, easy meal. So let's go. I'm going to start by putting a little bit of butter in my pan. We're going to let that butter melt down and get good and hot. I have my stove eye turned on a medium heat. So let's get started. I'm going to take 2 eggs and I'm going to crack them in this bowl. I'm just going to whisk these eggs around a little bit with this fork. You can use a whisk if you want to, but I normally just use a fork. It does the job just the same. Now to my eggs, I'm going to add just a little bit of milk. And I'm going to get that milk mixed up in the eggs. Now I'm going to season my egg mixture up just a little bit. I'm going in with a little bit of salt. Some pepper. And some onion powder. Of it. Now I'm just going to get these seasonings mixed up in with the rest of the egg mixture. And I'll check to see if my pan's hot enough to cook this up. I think my pan is probably hot enough. Now, don't judge. I don't make omelets a whole lot, so I am not very experienced at this, but I do love a good omelet, so we're going to give it a go this morning. We'll see how this turns out. So first things first, I'm going to pour that egg off in that pan. Let that start cooking up. I'm going to get my plate ready so when this gets finished, we can just slide it off onto this plate. I do know enough to know you want to keep a close eye on your egg, on your omelet. Don't want it to stick. That's why I put hopefully enough butter. You can use butter, you can use oil, whatever you want to use. Now when it gets to a certain doneness, you'll just kind of know. That's when you want to add all your veggies in or anything that you're adding to it. We're at the place now where I'm going to go ahead and add my veggies in. And I'm going to be adding some cheese also. Now I'm going to pop a lid on this just so that can kind of steam a little bit. I think my omelet's just about finished. Look how good that looks. We're going to slide this out onto a plate. Before I flip it over, I'm going to add me some taco sauce. I'm also going to go in with some of this spicy queso. This is really good if you've never tried it. I found this at Publix. Now I'm just going to flip this over. And you've got a delicious omelet. Now let's cut into it. Let's see what the inside of this thing looks like. See all that yumminess in there? That's going to be a good omelet. Let's go eat. Okay, let's give this omelet the old taste test. Look at the cheese. That's when you know it's going to be good. Oh, that's delicious. Go make you a Mexican omelet this morning. It's really good. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Just a quick little breakfast in the middle of the day. But that's how it goes for me a lot of the time. So it is what it is. And it ain't what it ain't. And I will be making me a t-shirt soon with that saying on it. But if you like this video, go give it a thumbs up. Hit that share button. Leave me a comment below. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that button too before you leave. I'll catch y'all in the next one.